Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to show you that how to hide online or how to hide your online status on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and then just simply tap at these three lines in the top right corner to come that menu section. Once you come to menu section, just simply tap at the gear to open up settings and policy, and after that tap at this search icon. So here you can easily find active status option. If you didn't get it over there, just simply here search for status or active, or which way you want. So just simply search it and you get it on the very top. Just simply tap on it. So here, if this option is toggled on like that, what you all have to do in order to hide online on Facebook, just simply toggle off this option and tap at turn off. This will make sure that you are not showing as online. Once you will be online, no one will knows that if you're online or not. So that's how you can easily stop showing or hide showing online on Facebook. So I will tell it you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.